Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, today we talk about Chat GPT and macOS. Many of us know Chat GPT is so good. It can answer questions, generate speeches, songs, marketing copy, news articles, and student essays, etc., etc. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT over traditional search engines is its ability to provide contextualized and processed information. So I decided to ask ChatGPT some questions. Since my channel is related to macOS and Windows, so I will ask ChatGPT some questions in this regard. Before starting the video, let me tell you that, personally, this technology has impressed me a lot and I like it a lot. Although, ChatGPT is new technology, launched in November 2022, but in spite of that, it often works perfectly. Yes, in some things it doesn't work well, and that's the reason of making this video. Anyway, my first question is, how to download and create macOS X Lion bootable USB drive on macOS Ventura. The answer is pretty good, but not accurate. Because macOS X Lion installer is not available on App Store, it's available on Apple website. Also, when you download this installer from Apple's website, it is in DMG format. This DMG file contains a PKG file. And you must install this PKG file on your Mac to extract the macOS installer app from it. All important steps are missing, so I would rate this answer 4 out of 10. Let's ask one more question. How to create macOS Ventura bootable USB drive on Windows. And this time I consider this answer absolutely wrong. Because, if you create a Mac bootable USB drive in Baleno Etcher, without formatting the drive in macOS Extended Journaled, and without converting the drive in the GPT partition scheme, it won't work. Now let's ask one last question from ChatGPT. How to create a dual bootable USB drive of macOS Ventura and Windows 11. And this time also the answer is wrong. Because, how will we create two separate partitions of the USB drive? And in which file format will we format the partitions? All these important steps are missing here. So friends, you see, ChatGPT memory is quite weak in case of macOS. But MZ Learning memory is quite powerful in terms of macOS and IT. So if you want to know accurate information about macOS, then subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.